Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Junkyard Dogs token. Now this is a brand new Solana meme coin, and it's in the midst of their pre-sale. We're going to go over the Junkyard Dogs token and see if there's any warnings on their audit, see if they have a KYC. We're going to go over any security that they have to see if there's any red flags or scam risks that people should be concerned about before investing in this token. We're going to go over all that in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find their webpage at JYDS.tech. So the name of the token is Junkyard Dogs, and the ticker symbol is JYDS. The Guardians of Sol. So it says Junkyard Dogs on Solana. Pre-sale is ongoing. To participate, send SOL to the address below from your wallet. Ensure to send from your own wallet, such as Phantom or Solflare. Do not send from an exchange. Then they have the address there, the contract address, or the pre-sale address, basically. Tells you step by step, basically fund your Phantom, Solflare, or any SOL wallet that supports tokens. Copy the pre-sale address and send SOL from your wallet to the address. Fair launch model. Pre-sale price is fixed for all contributors. Tokens will be airdropped to SOL contribution wallet at launch. So it's saying you won't get your tokens until the token launches. So far they've raised 383.94 SOL, it says here. And at the top of their page, they have tokenomics, story, info, smart contract, audit, memes, socials. So they have a Telegram at JunkSol that has 1,003 members. 101 of them are online. So that's a great place to join the discussion regarding this project. Talk to other people that are interested in the pre-sale. So their Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen over there, at JunkSolana. Blue verified check mark, 90 tweets so far. You can check them out there. They just joined in August 2023. 3,931 followers on their Twitter. And so on their pinned tweet, it says GM from the Junkyard. Pre-sale has raised over 300 plus SOL. Next gen meme plus utility token. Staking and farming starts at launch. Audited and central exchange listings confirmed. So they do have an audit, and we're going to go over that in a second to see if there's any warnings on there. So it says here, my name is JYD, and I am the most feared dog in crypto. I was born and raised in this junkyard, and I will do anything to protect it. You see, this junkyard is not like any other. It is the home of the Junkyard cryptocurrency built on Solana. Our yard was once peaceful until the other memes started to invade. They wanted to take over our yard and claim it as their own, but we were not going to let that happen. We are the guardians of Solana, and we will not back down from a fight. I remember the day when the war began. The sky was dark and the atmosphere was tense. The other memes had gathered on the shore ready to attack, but we were prepared. We trained for this moment, and we were ready to defend our home. As the enemy approached, I could feel my heart racing with adrenaline. I barked fiercely, warned them to stay away, but they did not listen. They charged toward us, and the battle began. I fought with all my might, biting and clawing at any meme that would come near. My fellow Junkyard Dogs fought alongside me, and together we were a force to be reckoned with. We were outnumbered, but we were determined to protect our home. After what felt like hours, the enemy finally retreated, and we had won the war. Our home was safe once again, and other memes would think twice about trying to invade again. As I looked around at my fellow junkyard dogs, I felt a sense of pride and camaraderie. We had proven ourselves as the guardians of Solana, and we would continue to defend our yard with everything we had. From that day on, our yard was known as the territory of the junkyard dogs built on Solana, and I, JYD, was known as the most vicious territorial dog that would do anything to protect it. So every yard has their own rules. Our yard's currency is 100% decentralized to the dogs in the yard. There is no team tokens. 90% of the funds being raised are going towards the liquidity pool and a fair, healthy launch. Take a look at our breakdown below. So there's a total supply of 500 million tokens on the Solana blockchain. 90% of the tokens go to pre-sale and LP. 10% reserved for staking, utility reserves, and central exchanges, and there's no tax. So when this token does go live on RAYDIUM, if it does go live on RAYDIUM or Jupiter, you probably won't have to worry about slippage because it says no tax. Now let's get to their audit. So at the top of their webpage, there's a button that says audit. You click on that. That's going to take you over to a audit by Contract Wolf. And it doesn't have a perfect score, so just be aware of that. I'm going to put that up somewhere on the screen here. So it says 95%. So it says critical, major, medium, minor, and informational issues are all resolved. So there's no issues there, so that's good there. But it says contract security 95%, risk assessment 1 risk. And so it says here, contract does not have fees. Contract does not have max transaction amount. Cannot pause trading. Owner cannot mint tokens after initial deployment. Owner cannot burn tokens. Contract immutable is set to false. Owner cannot block users, and contract is not using any anti-bot. So besides that, it says owner can change settings of the contract. Mutable is set to false, and owner cannot freeze tokens. So if you do, it says smart contract score for blockchain vulnerability to malicious attacks is 95%. It says the lower the score, the lower the possibility that the project may pull malicious acts like rug pull, honeypot, or scam. So there's 1 risk. So there's still warnings on there. Now you can view the full audit report if you click on that. I don't know if that's going to even work for me here, but let's check that out here. So just be aware that there is one risk on here. So I cannot say for sure that this they did pass their audit, it says, and there's no issues on here besides that 95% risk. But it's not giving me exactly. So they could have fixed it. They could have had a risk and then fixed it. But yeah, it is passed. But it doesn't give me the issue that was or was not fixed for some reason. I don't know why they're doing that. Audited files, no issues found. Okay, so anyways, 95%. It's not perfect, so there's a slight risk for this project here. It's not, absolutely guaranteed that this is going to be safe. It says gold tier. So yeah, just be aware there's always a risk. I don't see a KYC either, so be aware of that. I don't see that their team is fully doxed or anything like that. So it's not 100% secure, so I can't guarantee that this token is going to be 100% safe. There's 1 risk, 95% score. But it does say there are other risks there are resolved. But yeah, just keep it in mind that they didn't get a perfect score. So take it with a grain of salt. Do your own research first. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.